In this video, I wanted to run a simple experiment. Instead of talking about AI business ideas, I asked a very direct question. Could I realistically make $100 using AI in just 7 days? Not thousands of dollars, just 100. The goal was to test a system that beginners could actually try. Here's exactly what I did. Day 1, choosing the idea. The first step was choosing something simple. I didn't want something complicated like building an app or writing code. Instead, I focused on something businesses already need: short-form video content. Many small businesses want to post videos on Instagram or TikTok, but they don't have time to write scripts or edit clips. So the idea was simple. Use AI to produce short marketing videos for small businesses. Day 2, building the production system. Before trying to sell anything, I built a small production workflow. The first tool I used was ChatGPT. I asked it to generate a short marketing script. Example prompt: write a 30-second promotional video script for a local restaurant. The goal is to attract customers and highlight the atmosphere and food quality. That gave me the structure. Next, I used ElevenLabs to generate a voiceover. I pasted the script and downloaded the audio. Then I used Pictory to turn the script and voice into a short video. The platform automatically adds stock footage and captions. Within a few minutes, I had a complete short promotional video. Now I had a system: script to voice to video. Day 3, creating a sample. Before contacting any business, I created a sample video. I searched Google Maps for a local restaurant, then I made a short promotional video specifically for them. Something like, "Looking for the perfect dinner spot tonight?" The idea was not to sell yet, just to show what was possible. Day 4, outreach. Now came the real test. I contacted several small businesses. Instead of sending a long message, I kept it simple. Example message: "Hi, I created a short promotional video concept for your restaurant using AI tools. If you'd like, I can send it to you and show how these could help your social media." The key was being respectful and not sounding like spam. I sent around 20 messages to small businesses, restaurants, gyms, and cafes. Day 5, responses. A few businesses didn't reply. Some said they weren't interested, but one business was curious and asked to see the example. I sent the video I created earlier. They liked the idea and asked how much it would cost to produce more. Day 6, closing the first deal. I offered a very simple package: 3 short videos for $40. Not a big amount, but remember, the goal of the experiment was $100 in 1 week. They agreed to try it. Now the system worked exactly the same way as before. ChatGPT for the script, ElevenLabs for voice, Pictory for video. Production took less than an hour. Day 7, result of the experiment. By the end of the week, the first order was completed. It wasn't huge money, but the experiment proved something important. Even a very simple AI workflow can produce something businesses find useful. And once the system exists, repeating it becomes easier. What this experiment shows. The goal of this experiment was not to show a huge success story, it was to show a realistic starting point. AI tools can reduce the time needed to produce content. But the real value still comes from solving a problem. Businesses need visibility. Creators need structure. Stores need product descriptions. AI simply helps you deliver those solutions faster. Final thought. The biggest lesson from this experiment is that small systems can lead to real opportunities. You don't need to build a massive startup. Sometimes you just need a simple workflow and a clear problem to solve. Start small, test quickly, improve the system over time. That's how many real businesses begin.